So as we discussed yesterday, I made 20 days strategy or 20 days timetable, 20 days schedule. So for every 20 days, we will be making you a schedule and we will be giving you, so that you will be also understanding what is the class going to be and how you should plan your preparation. So one model I will explain you how you have to do, so that you will come to a conclusion that for every 20 days how the plan should be there, and if anyone is preparing for 2025, how they have to prepare their daily schedule. So I only prepared personally, so this will be helpful to you. So looking at it, so it is, I recommend you 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Yoga I recommend you. It's not yoga, it can be meditation, it can be anything. So morning, early morning, 6 o'clock you get up. 6 to 7 a.m. you do introspection, you do your plan, you go to workplace or anything, workout or anything, whatever you want to do, you do it. 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. But I'm telling you, physical exercise like yoga or meditation, physical thing like meditation or mental thing, it is very, very important. So 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. As a teacher, I told you, you have to do yoga. As a student, what you want to do, you will do, I know. So first is 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Then 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. you have to do your breakfast and you have to do your fresh up and everything. 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. every day. I'm telling you, for the first 2 months, that is from June 21 to July 21 to August 15th, till you get freedom, you daily do practice of newspaper reading by your own. So 2 hours you spend till August 15th newspaper reading, which we named it as NPR. NPR, newspaper reading. So that vocabulary, that sentence formation, that paragraph writing, you will come to an understanding. So that jargon you will understand. For that purpose, for the next 2 months, you have to do 2 hours of NPR, which is called as newspaper reading. Then again 8 a.m. to 10, then 10 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. take a break. Then 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. In your classes, what GS subject is taught? In your classes, so the classes is going to start from June 21st. So in June 21st, which class you are going to read? That particular class you do revision. What happened in the classroom? That thing you do revision or do answer writing practice of GS answers. So 2 hours self-preparation. Self-preparation is most important from the beginning. So any subject reading is from 10:30 a.m. to 12:30. Then 12:30 p.m. go to your PG. Till 2 p.m. you do the lunch break. Again you have to become fresh up. And 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. what is going to happen in this particular academy is, we will have first 20 days. From July 21, June 21 to July 10th. You will be having ethics and values classes starting very beginning. No academy in India will start with ethics. Then why you are starting? Why you are starting? Because marks. From the day one, you should think from the perspective of marks. From day one, you have to understand from the perspective of which subject is important, so that I can get more marks. So 250 marks is ethics and values. So first we will do with ethics. Ethics and values classes by Dr. B.N. Ramesh sir, IPS, who is an DGP of West Bengal. Ex-DGP of West Bengal. His video is there in our YouTube channel. You can watch it. You can understand his class, the quality of the class. So 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. daily there will be ethics class from June 21st. After that you will be having 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. my class. In my class what I will do? What is here? 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. what is it? Newspaper reading. In this particular time doing breakfast, you can come to the academy and we will only give you newspaper. You come fast, take your newspaper and go back. So it will be like walking. So come fast, take the newspaper from the academy, then it will be like an exercise. Newspaper reading you have to do. Then after 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. what is this? NPR. What it is? NPA. I will be doing personally daily in the working days. I will be doing daily in the working days newspaper analysis. I will do newspaper analysis. What are the important aspects which you studied in the morning? The crux, the summary I will explain you, so that you will understand what is happening across the world. So newspaper analysis first I will do, then I will do polity class. Polity will be taught by different faculties. I will be starting one particular module and I will be completing one module, another module will be given to another faculty. In that way, 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Then 5:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. there will be a break. 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. optional class. If it is anthropology, then there will be an anthropology optional class. If there is a PSIR, then there will be PSR optional class. Whatever it may be, optional class will be there. My anthropology class will be from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Then 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. go back to PG and do your dinner. Then after doing dinner, 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. optional revision. Which optional you are preparing, do that revision. Optional preparation from 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. 10:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. mobile phone. Check your mobile phone. Check your mobile phone, talk to your parents. I recommend you just to see the timetables, just to see what are all happening in Telegram, what are all happening in WhatsApp, and just neglect within 30 minutes. 11 p.m. you go to sleep. Early morning 6 a.m. again you get up. 7 hours sleep is a very super sleep. 7 hours sleep means you are a very lucky person. So have lucky only. 7 hours of sleep from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. Like this, if you do, what are all the benefits I will tell you. Number one, there will be no conflicts in hostels. Mainly when you stay in hostels, no, I know people will be, some conflicts will happen. So there will be no opportunity to talk with any other person. There will be no room to have a conflict. So we will study, we will go, we will be in peace, we will be doing our work and we will be happy. And number two, who are going to follow this particular timetable are your friends for another 2 years. At least for another 1 year. Who is going to follow this particular timetable? Only that particular person is going to be your friend. Maintain friendship with those people only, so that he will be busy, you will be busy. While you are walking here and there, you can talk what are the topics discussed, what are all happening, that's it. Time will be saved. You will be following the timetable. You will be having the discipline. You will be understanding the subjects. You will be also having the friends of the same like-mindedness. Then your preparation will be good, compulsory. We will work together for 2025. If not 2025, 2026, you will get the rank. Damn sure, if you follow this for another 2 years. So in this way, this is going to be. So 20 days plan. June 21st, Friday, we will have ethics and polity. June 22nd, Saturday, you will have ethics and polity. Sunday holiday. Means June 24th, you will be having ethics and polity. After some days, we will be starting weekly test also. Every Sunday there will be no holiday. Every Sunday there will be weekly test for GS also. How we are having for anthropology weekly test, similarly we will be having weekly test for GS also. And exclusive mentors will be there. I will be introducing, means the mentors will be available here. So any doubts, anything, you can contact with them. In this way, June 21st till July 30th, we are introducing another subject, which is, so ethics will be done till June 29th. Then we will give a gap. Because you should also understand the GS. So from June 1st, history and polity. At a stretch it will go. We will complete history and polity. Subject wise subject, we will not give a break in between. Only ethics we will give a break. History and polity, history and polity. Again we will have extra classes for ethics, and these 3 subjects will be completed. After completion of history and polity, we will start with geography and economics. After completion of geography and economics, you will be having international relations, you will be having science and technology, you will be having environment, you will be having parallelly current affairs and all. Current affairs class will be every week. Every Saturday there will be a current affairs class. My polity class is there now. On Saturday, in place of polity class, you will be having that week current affairs class. So if you listen that current affairs class also, that week current affairs will be completed and we will be giving you printouts.